Welcome to PMPA's Final Cut of the Week, where we share important information you may have missed while you were making essential parts. I'm Carly Kistler-Miller.
And I'm Miles Free. This is what you need to know for the week ending May 27th, 2022. Industrial production remains positive. In April, total industrial production rose 1.1%, which is the fourth consecutive months of gains above 0.8% or more. Manufacturing output rose 0.8%, up 5.8% year over year. Excluding an increase of 3.9% in the production of motor vehicles and parts, factory output rose 0.5%. Capacity utilization increased by 0.6% to 79.2% in April, the highest reading since April of 2007. This value is 1.1% above the long-run average.
Machine shops with 100 or more employees may have new OSHA reporting rules. According to Kiplinger, labor regulators are pushing to change the 250 employee threshold to 100 or more employees for additional reporting of illness and injury data. Additionally, OSHA would make some of the data available to the public. PMPA and the Franklin Partnership are preparing comments to protect the privacy of our performers and to assure that any data reporting is relevant to actual safety outcomes. PMPA invites your input and questions regarding any OSHA topics.
The Chicago Fed National Activity Index, or CFNAI, was a plus 0.47 in April, up from a plus 0.36 in March. All four broad categories of indicators used to construct this index made positive contributions in April, and three categories improved from March. The index's three-month moving average, the CFNAI MA3, ticked down to plus 0.48 in April from plus 0.49 in March. Production-related indicators contributed plus 0.26 to the index in April, up slightly from March's plus 0.20. Industrial production increased 1.1% in April after moving up 0.9% in March.
PMPA Speaking of Precision podcast, released Monday, talks about the adventures at National Technical Conference held in Milwaukee and the third Mastery Program Tour. You can listen on major podcast platforms or on pmpa.org.
Now for our weekly tip. It's lawn mowing time, and Precision Machining provides the essential parts for you to get that done. The lawn, garden tractor, home lawn, and garden equipment manufacturing industry spends $5.3 billion on materials, components, supplies, minerals, and machinery. To learn more about that market for your shop, go to Market Insights at PMPA.org's Knowledge Centers, or Final Cut of the Week.
And that's our take on what you need to know for the week ending May 27, 2022. For more information and links about any of the topics discussed today, please go to PMPA.org and click on Final Cut of the Week.
Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next Friday.